Let's get your phone connected to your 2011-2023 Dodge Charger's Uconnect system. First, for basic functions like calls and music, use Bluetooth. Enable Bluetooth on your phone and search for Charger Uconnect. Enter the PIN, usually 0000 or 1234, on the Uconnect screen. Grant permissions for contacts and media. For newer chargers from 2016 onward, you can also use Apple CarPlay for iPhones or Android Auto for Android devices. Connect your phone via USB cable or wirelessly on models from 2021 and later. These systems offer advanced features like navigation and app integration. Having trouble connecting? First, make sure your Uconnect software is up to date. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto require newer phone operating systems. Try resetting Uconnect by holding the power button. Clear previous phone pairings from both your phone and the Uconnect system. If you're still facing issues, consult your Dodge owner's manual or contact a Stellantis dealer. Wireless connections offer convenience, but wired connections can be more reliable. Keeping your system updated ensures better compatibility with newer phones and apps.